Hello and welcome to our tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to build a WordPress website from scratch using cPanel. I'm using GoDaddy hosting and I'll be showing you right away from GoDaddy shared hosting cPanel how to build a subdomain, how to create your subdomain, and how to build a WordPress website from scratch on that subdomain. And after that, I'll show you how you can build a perfectly working WordPress website using free plugins and free themes. So please stick with me and watch this video till end. Let's see, this is my cPanel right now. Search for subdomains. First of all, we will build a subdomain by the name of business.wordclassthemes.com. As you can see, WordClass theme is my main domain, and the business will be my subdomain. And if I click here, this folder will be automatically generated, which is business.wordclassthemes.com. Let's add this folder by the name of business1. In case of any duplication, it will automatically resolve this. Okay, now click on create, and it will automatically build that folder and build that subdomain and redirect attach that folder to that subdomain. So after this, we will install WordPress, and GoDaddy have automatic tool called Softalicious or Installatron, whichever they have for your cPanel, you can use it. So type here and search for WordPress, and in applications you can see WordPress Manager. In your case, it may be Softalicious or Installatron, but if you see WordPress Manager, then click here. No compatible WordPress site exists. Okay, go to the cPanel again and scroll down in the application and search for WordPress. These are already installed or already added websites in my cPanel. Okay, here is featured applications, WordPress and blog. So click here, and the application browser will be open. Now here you must click on this install this application, which will be installing a new website rather than editing any existing website. Click on install this application, and now choose your domain or subdomain. The domain we just created was business.wordclassthemes.com. So scroll down and look for that business, maybe at the very end. Or on the very top. Start typing, and it is http business.wordclassthemes.com, and this is the one. Click that, remove any optional directory, and the folder the website path will be http://business.wordclassthemes.com. Version will be the latest one, language will be latest. Leave everything default. Automatic update, I'll turn off the automatic update, and I want to be free. Whenever I want to update, I just do it manually. WordPress plugin automatic update, do not. WordPress theme automatic, do not update. Backup. Okay, now here is the username in password section for your WP admin. So we will type admin123 and some password and your email address which you want to add as your main administrative email. Now your website's title and the tagline. I'll leave that by default. We can change that later. Two-factor authentication, no, do not enable two-factor authentication. No, do not limit the failed login. Enable multi-site, no. Okay. Now click on install now. This username and password must be remembered, and you can use that for logging into your WP admin. Please write down before clicking on this install. It's already installing in the backend. You can see this processing sign, and once it's done, you will be able to directly go to that URL and start editing your website. So scroll down to the one we just did. Okay, this is the one. Click on WP admin URL and use the same username and password which we just added while installing the WordPress website. Okay, it will provide us a wizard to show us which theme and which plugin we are using. I'll skip that because I'll show you how to do it manually. Yes, sure. Thanks. And it will redirect me to the WordPress dashboard with a blank WordPress website. So let's just see how the website looks like right now with a default theme and default plugins and default settings as well. So this is the 2023 theme. Let's go to appearance and themes and see which theme is currently using 2023. Okay. First of all, we will install a theme. Click on add new and type Astra and press enter. Astra is the theme which provides a lot of options in the free version. Click on install. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe more because it's downloading the theme from WordPress repository and directly installing it on your WordPress website. So let's just wait, and then we will activate this theme. Then we will install the required plugins for this theme, and we will install a demo website because we are planning to build a business website. That is why we will choose a template which resembles our requirement, and then I'll show you how you can edit your pages step by step using Elementor editor. Okay, the theme is now installed. Click on activate, and if you go to the front end and refresh the page, you will see that our newly installed theme is already added and activated. Now we will go to the plugins, click on add new, and in the search bar type Astra again and press enter, and this time it will be Astra sites or starter templates Elementor WordPress Beaver Builder template. Click on install now, and by the help of this plugin we will download a demo template or a dummy template with dummy contents, and we can change them later according to our requirements. So activate this plugin now. After activating this plugin, you will have a new option in appearance, starter template. So click on starter template, and it will open a new wizard which will allow you to choose your required template. So click on build your website now. We will choose Elementor editor. You can choose block editor or Beaver builder, but I'll choose Elementor because it's easy and a lot of extensions are available free on WordPress repository. Okay, now it will show us a bunch of templates, which are some of them are free and some are premium versions, but we are using the free Astra theme and plugin. That is why we will be using the free ones. So type business here to get exactly what we want. So these are a couple of templates which are available free on in this plugin. This is the one, and business coaching consulting, digital agency, digital marketing agency. So let's choose digital agency. When you click this, it will load a preview. What will your website look like? Before you can select this and start importing. And right from here, you can choose your logo. You can upload your logo, or you can skip and continue to the next step, and we can do that later. Let it load. It will also take a couple of seconds depending on your internet connection speed. Okay, this is the site. You can close this sidebar and look how it will look like on a full screen. So for me, this website, this template is fine. Let's go back. Click on skip and continue without changing the logo. You can choose your color scheme. Currently, you can see this is yellow on white and black. So let's choose something like blue on white and black. So you can also choose fonts right from here. Click on continue. Now it will require some basic information about you. So I'll type in my name, my email address, my level. Let's say I'm a beginner and I'm building this website for myself or my company. If you are a freelancer and you are building this website for your clients, then you can also choose for my client. So I'm choosing myself or my company. I agree to the terms and services. Okay, do not touch any of these check boxes. Leave all of them selected because we will need import customizer settings. We will need import widgets, install required plugins, import content, and share non-sensitive data. Click on submit and build my website. So this step is the final step which will grab all the data from their demo website and import it to your website and build a beautiful website. And then I'll show you how you can edit the home page, how you can add new pages, how you can add posts, and how you can build some contact forms. So stick with me and let's wait for this. After importing all the demo contents, it will show you. You can see your website on the front end. Refresh the home page, and you will see that your website, your demo website is ready. And now you can change the content according to your requirements or your client's requirements. So once the home page is refreshed, you can see the slider area or the hero section, then some call to actions, some about us section. Let it load all the images and you will see how beautiful it looks right away from the demo website. So go to the backend and exit this wizard, this automatic wizard. Now let me show you two sections from where you can add pages and posts. So here is the post section. If you go to the front end, then you can see a blog section. You can just type in /blog after your website's URL and all your blogs will be visible. And you can add any page from this pages section and add them to the menu in appearance and menu section, and this menu will be edited. So let me just show you by adding a simple page. Click on pages, click on add new, and type in your page title. In my case, it will be a sample page or my new page, or just about a service like Amazon to WooCommerce product import, and then I'll show you how to add this in your menu. Add your title, WooCommerce, Amazon importer, and add some contents here. This is a dummy page with some dummy content, and click on publish. After publishing this page, we will go back to the dashboard and we will go to the menus to select this page into a menu. So currently we have this main menu appears on home page and on sub pages as well. So if you go to the appearance and menu section, you will see all your menus listed here, and you can edit one if you want. So on the main navigation menu, you can see we have home, services, about, and contact. Home, services, about, and contact on the home page as well. So here we will add a new page which we just added, WooCommerce to Amazon importer. We will just add this, and we will choose the location, the second location, second position on the menu, and we will edit the name W or Amazon importer to shorten that text. Click on save menu, and if you go to the home page and refresh it, you will see that a new item will be added to the menu right away. So click on Amazon importer, and your Amazon importer page will be loaded like this. You can see this is not fancy enough for this website, but let me show you by editing the home page, or you can edit this page as well using Elementor. So go to the home page first, and let me show you how you can change the logo. So right click on customize and open in a new tab. And here you will see pencil signs for every section, each section, like header or footer, and then you can click on that pencil sign to redirect to that editing page, or you can navigate through these menu items to go to a specific section. For example, if you hover on this logo, you can see this pencil sign. If you click on this pencil sign, you will be redirected here to the logo section. So if you want to change the logo, just click on change logo and choose file. You can even upload a file directly from your website, from your PC, or you can choose from your media library any existing image, if any. So let's see, let's choose this one. This is the black logo. I think this is not for this section, but you can just use it, and you will see that the white logo will be replaced with the black one, and here it is. But as this is the dark section, so we will be using this white logo. Get cropping, and it will be appeared here. You can also set the logo width here. If you want to use a different logo for Retina, then you can turn on this section, and you can upload a new logo for the Retina screen. But I'll be using the same logo for both of the screens. Here, as I mentioned earlier, you can now change the title of the website, like my business website, which will be appeared here. You can see the title of my website is my blog right now. But when I change this and click on publish and then refresh the home page, then it will be automatically changed to my business website, and also the tagline, just another WordPress website to something very cool is coming, and publish it, and the tagline and the website title will be changed. Similarly, if you scroll down to the bottom or footer, you can also see every section have a pencil sign, and you can click there to change its content. So this is just for header and footer, not for the homepage content. If you want to change the homepage content, then close the customizer, and on the home page, click on Edit with Elementor. Open it in a new tab, and here you can add, edit, or remove any of existing sections, or add any new section, um, or delete any existing section if you want. So let it load. It will also take a couple of seconds to load. After loading the Elementor editor, you can see you are not able to see the home page menu, because it is just the content. You will also not be able to see the footer. You can see it, but you cannot edit it. So let's close this navigator, and starting from the hero section, when you click on any of these titles, these backgrounds, you can just click on any of these text, and the text will be editable right away in the left section. So let's start here. Ahmed, SEO marketing, and if you click here, this will be editable as text editor, and you can see you can add bullet points, you can add paragraphs, headings, you can bold, italic, or underline the text. You can add text here. Let's remove this one and brown fox, lazy dog, and let's copy and paste it again and again to show multiple lines. Okay, let's scroll down to the next section. All these sections are self-explanatory. If you click here, you will be able to edit this on the left section. Similarly for these as well. For image, if you click an image, then you can change the image right away from here. You can delete the current image or choose an image and overwrite this one. You can change the position of the image. Just click on the section here and go to advanced. And in advanced, you can see we have set the top margin 360, bottom minus 120. So it's 360 from top and minus 120 to the bottom. You can decrease this one and see the changes live here. Let's do 30 and it will automatically be scroll up. So let's leave it 360. Scroll down. Okay, this is a logo slider, but in this section we added inner section. So even if you do not have this section, you can just add a new row, like here, add a new row, then add a full width row. Let's grab this full width row to the place where we can edit it easily here. And according to this section, let's add some margins. Click on advanced and add top margin of 300 or let's say 200 here. Now click on add and add some inner sections. It will add just two sections, but you can right click here and duplicate and make it 3 or duplicate again to make it 4. So each of these sections will have their own elements. If you click here to add an image, just grab the image element here and choose an image in already existing gallery. Similarly here, add a text and here add a Google map and here add some gallery, portfolio gallery. Okay, these are the pro systems, the pro section, so we will not using that. Choose a basic gallery and add some images. You can select multiple images in the gallery section. So we will add 4, insert gallery, and it will load it here. Now you can choose how many images per slide will be shown. So let's say 1, and it is 1 per row. Let's say 2. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. And the link will be a media file. Lightbox will be yes. Whenever you click on any image, it will appear in a lightbox. Click on update. Now you can edit these sections as well. Scroll down and all other sections are exactly the same as I told you. So this is how you can build a simple website update this and refresh on home page to see if the changes are implemented here. I'll show you the section which I edited, added the images gallery. So this is a single image, this is a heading, this is a Google map, and these are the 4 images. Whenever I click on any of these images, a slider will be open, and if you click outside of this, then it will be disappear. So this is how you can build or edit a WordPress website using GoDaddy cPanel hosting. I hope you learned something from today's video. Please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and you will not miss my future videos. Thank you.